music promotions.
Expression across diverse cultures and eras, from ancient tribal rituals to the modern resonance of contemporary music, the evolution of drums is a compelling journey that transcends time, embodying the essence of rhythm itself. Drums trace their origins to ancient civilizations, where primitive percussion instruments were crafted from natural materials. These drums held a central role in rituals and ceremonies, serving as a form of communication and spiritual connection. As civilizations flourished, diverse drumming traditions emerged worldwide. Each culture developed unique drumming styles, reflecting their distinct identities and utilizing drums as a powerful means of conveying emotions, stories, and traditions. In medieval and Renaissance Europe, drums found a place in military and ceremonial settings. The snare drum, known for its distinctive rattling sound, became integral to military communication, while orchestras integrated drums into classical compositions, enhancing musical arrangements. The 20th century witnessed a revolutionary development with the introduction of the drum kit. Drummers like Gene Krupa and Buddy Rich became iconic figures, showcasing the expressive possibilities of a set that included bass drums, snare drums, toms, and cymbals. Drums played a pivotal role in shaping world music, contributing to the global fusion of genres. From Latin American congas to Indian tabla, percussion instruments became essential to diverse international soundscapes. Advancements in technology transformed the world of drums, introducing electronic drum kits, drum machines, and digital percussion instruments. These innovations expanded the sonic possibilities for drummers across various genres. In contemporary music, drums continue to evolve, redefining genres with experimental rhythms and pushing the boundaries of traditional drumming. Drummers experiment with unconventional styles, contributing to the rhythmic backbone of diverse musical expressions. The appreciation for drumming led to an educational renaissance, with programs offering comprehensive drum education. Drummers explore diverse styles, techniques, and cultural influences, contributing to a global community of percussion enthusiasts and professionals. The drum beat, echoing through the ages, connects the ancient past with the dynamic present. In the rhythmic language of drums, we find the universal pulse that binds us together.